stalls, or the instructions are independent. There are no stalls. Okay, now we have clock cycle 1, clock cycle 2, clock cycle 3, clock cycle 4, clock cycle 5, clock cycle 6, clock cycle 7, clock cycle 8, clock cycle 9. Okay, now please remember, if we have I1, this is my I1, fetch, decode, execute, memory, write back. So I1 will finish at which clock cycle? Help me. Clock cycle 5. Okay, now we have I2. Fetch, decode, execute, memory, and write back. I2 will finish at which clock cycle? Clock cycle 6. Am I right or not? Clear? Okay, now we have I3. We have fetch, decode, execute, memory, and write back. It will finish at which clock cycle? 7. So it means that in clock cycle 5, I1 will finish. Clock cycle 6, which instruction will finish? I2. Clock cycle 7, I3. Clock cycle 8, I4. And let's assume we have clock cycle 100. Okay, now please remember, assume that we have 100 instructions. How many instructions are there? 100. So it means K is 100. How many instructions are there? Let's assume there are K instructions. Okay, now when the 100 instructions will finish, I100 will finish at clock cycle 104. Why 104? Because you know, if you subtract 5 minus 1, 4, 6 minus 2, 4. So it means we can add 4 to it. 1 plus 4, 5. 2 plus 4, 6. When I100 will be completed, at which clock cycle? Any question? Okay. Now, is there any stalls here? No. So what is the formula? So the formula is that. So now, please look at here. The number of clock cycles, total number of clock cycles. The total number of clock cycles will be K plus D minus 1. So please, what is K? 100. How many stages are there? 5 minus 1. What? 104. But now we have how many stalls? S stalls. We can include S here. So what is now K in the in this case we assume that there are no stalls. And if there are stalls, so what will be the number of clock cycles? Help me. K plus D plus what? S minus 1. Because S is the total number of stalls. Clear? And it all depends on the number of branch instructions. If there are more and more branch instructions, there will be more and more stalls. Because you know, in that case, that will create some bubbles in the pipeline. Any question? And please remember, one reason of the stall is the branch instruction. In the branch instruction, we need to go to the for address